The money pit. We all got one. Running a business is like owning a mischievous pet hamster. It's cute at first, you think you're in control, then bam, costs everywhere. Food, vet bills, that tiny wheel it never stops running on. Businesses have costs too, but luckily they're less likely to chew through your couch. Let's break these costs down into two categories, fixed costs and variable costs. Don't worry, it's less scary than it sounds. Rent. That landlord doesn't care about your cat video. It's a harsh reality, but one that every business owner must face. Fixed costs are the steadfast, unchanging expenses of your business. They are the backbone of your financial obligations, the ones that don't waver regardless of your performance. Imagine your rent. Whether you're selling 1,000 hand-knitted socks or your cat's viral video compilation, 5 views, but who's counting? Your landlord wants their money. They don't care if your video is a hit or a miss, the rent is due. It's like that one friend who never pays for gas but always needs a ride. They are always there, expecting a free pass, just like your fixed costs. Fixed costs don't care how your business is doing, they just want their cut. They are relentless, appearing every month without fail, demanding their share. Other examples of fixed costs, think salaries, insurance, and other essential expenses that keep your business running smoothly. And that weird subscription you forgot you were paying for, we all have one. These are the costs that sneak up on you month after month. These costs stay put month after month like that persistent fruit fly buzzing around your kitchen. They are the constants in your financial landscape, always there, always needing attention. T-shirt shenanigans, more shirts, more problems, or more money. Now let's talk about variable costs. These are the costs that change based on your production levels. Imagine you're selling those trendy t-shirts with ironic slogans. They're a hit and everyone wants one. The more shirts you sell, the more money you make, right? It sounds like a dream come true. True, but you also need more fabric, more ink, and maybe some questionable motivational posters for the break room to keep morale high. These are your variable costs. They add up quickly and can sometimes be overwhelming. They change depending on how much you produce or sell. The more you produce, the higher these costs climb. More sales mean more materials, which means more costs. It's a balancing act, it's a vicious cycle, kind of like watching one episode of a reality TV show and then accidentally binging the entire season. You get sucked in. You know it's a bad idea, but you can't stop. The same goes for managing variable costs. It's all about finding the right balance. Section 3. Fixed versus variable. Why did the accountant cross the spreadsheet? So, fixed costs are like your rent, always there, rain or shine. Variable costs are like your grocery bill. They depend on how much you eat or how many ironic t-shirts you sell. One stays the same, the other changes. See, business finances aren't so scary, they're just confusingly labeled. Understanding the difference between fixed and variable costs is crucial. It's like knowing the difference between a good joke and a dad joke. One will make you laugh, the other will make you groan and question life choices. Section 4. The real world is a mixed bag of costs, from your phone bill to your burrito addiction. Let's be honest, most things in life aren't black and white. They're a mix of fixed and variable costs. Take your phone bill, for example. That monthly fee you pay, fixed cost. It's predictable, like clockwork. But those extra minutes you racked up binge-watching cat videos, that's a variable cost. It fluctuates based on your usage. See, it's everywhere. Even your burrito addiction is fixed and variable costs. The base price of the burrito, fixed. Your rent, still doesn't care about the cat videos, is a fixed cost. It's the same every month. But the more guac you order, the higher that burrito bill climbs. That's a variable cost, my friend. It changes based on your choices. You're basically a walking, talking example of business finances. Congratulations. You're living the principles of economics every day without even realizing it. Conclusion costs, you can't live with them, can't run a business without them. In the grand game of business, understanding your costs is like knowing the rules. Fixed costs are the referees, always present, sometimes questionable in their calls, but ultimately necessary. Variable costs are the players. Their performance can fluctuate, kind of like your ability to resist that extra guac. Knowing how to manage both is the key to winning, or at least not striking out before the game even begins. Good luck out there, entrepreneurs. You got this.